So for today, we're comparing Real Debrid and Track, two tools enhancing your media consumption experience. First, in Real Debrid, it offers premium links for streaming and downloading content at high speeds. Its pros: it is high-quality links, fast downloads, and compatibility with popular streaming apps. The cons: it is limited use without premium subscription. While in Tracked, it is a tracking tool that helps you organize your watch list across platforms. The pros: it is seamless integration with media centers, automatic tracking, and social aspect for discovering content. The cons: it does not offer direct streaming links, but in comparison, use Real Debrid if you want high-quality streaming links, and use Track if you need powerful media tracking. In conclusion, if streaming quality is your priority, go to Real Debrid. But if you're more into organizing and tracking your media, Track is your go-to.